Good day everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix Windows security offline scan is not working. Now, the first step to resolve this issue is to remove the third-party antivirus software. While some security application can run concurrently with Windows security, third-party security application can block or interfere with some Defender features. This may cause the offline scan not to start correctly. Now, to uninstall the third-party antivirus software, you will have to do a right-click on the start button and then click on run. In the run window, you will have to type appwiz.cpl and then click on OK. This will take you to the programs and features window, which will list all the programs which are currently installed on the computer. You will have to locate for the third-party applications like McAfee, AVG or Norton, or it could be any other software. Once you locate your security software, all you have to do is you will have to select the security software. For the demonstration purpose, I'm going to choose Firefox. Click on uninstall. Follow the step-by-step instructions on the screen, and this will go ahead and uninstall the security software on your computer. Once the security software has been successfully uninstalled, you will have to close this window, restart your computer, and then check if you're able to run an offline scan for your Windows security. In case if you're able to run the offline scan, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now the next step is to go ahead and start the Windows security offline scan with administration permission. To do this, you will have to open the Windows PowerShell or terminal in administrator mode. So you can do a right click on the start button and then click on terminal admin. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. Once you're on the Windows PowerShell, all you have to do is you will have to copy the command from the video description and paste it here by doing a right click. Once you have this command, you will have to go ahead and execute this command. Once you execute this command, it will prompt saying that your computer will be restarted. You will have to follow the instructions on the screen. Once your computer restarts, it would run the Windows offline security scan. This will take about 15 to 30 minutes depending on the amount of data or the performance of your computer. Wait for the scan to complete and check if it works. In case if it works, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now the next step is to go ahead and repair the corrupted Windows files by running a DISM and SFC scan. To do this, you will have to open the command prompt on your computer. So you can go to the search window and type command. Once you see the best match for the command prompt, you will have to do a right click on the command prompt and then click on run as administrator. This will open the command prompt as an administrator. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. Once you have the command prompt window open, you will have to copy the command from my video description and do a right click, and this will paste the command in the command prompt window. To execute this command, you will have to hit enter. Once this command is being successfully executed, this will go ahead and execute the DISM command, and this will take about some time to execute this command successfully. You will have to wait until this command is being successfully executed. Once this command is being successfully executed, you will have to go ahead and execute the next command to run the SFC scan. All you have to do is you will have to go to my video description, copy the command and paste it here by doing a right click and hit enter to execute this command. This will take some time. You will have to wait until the verification is completed to 100%. Once this is done, once it is 100% complete, you can close this window, restart your computer, and then check if your issue has been resolved. In case if your issue has been resolved, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now the last step to resolve this issue is to go ahead and reset the PC. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on settings. Once you're on these settings, you will have to click on the Windows update on the left hand side, and then on the right hand side you will have to locate for advanced option. Click on it. Under this you will see an option which says recovery. Click on recovery. Now here you would see an option which says reset this PC. Once you click on this, you will have to follow the step-by-step instructions on the screen, and especially when you have this option which says choose an option, make sure you choose the first option which says keep my files. In case if you choose the second option, it will delete all the data from your computer when your computer is resetted. So make sure you choose reset keep my files. Wait for some time till you get the next option. How would you like to reinstall the Windows? Make sure you choose cloud download and make sure you also have the computer connected to the internet. In case if your computer is not connected to the internet, then you can go with the local reinstall. but the recommended one is go with the cloud download. Click on next. Now with this, you would have an option to review the settings what you have made. In case if you want to go back and make any changes, you can click on change settings and make these necessary changes. Once these settings are confirmed, you may click on confirm and follow the step-by-step instructions on the screen. And during this process, your computer will restart. Once your computer is restarted, you should be able to run the offline scan in your Windows security software. Now all these steps should definitely fix the problem. In spite of trying all this step, if you're still facing a problem, please leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with a possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.